In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to get local channels on your Hisense TV. I will show you how to do this with a recommended antenna, and then I'll show you some recommended apps if you have a smart TV. The first way to get local channels would be through this antenna here. I have tested this one and I found it to be a great option among the many antennas that are out there. I'll put a link in the description down below of where you can get this particular one. Now this thing is really easy to install. Just plug the coax cable into the back of the antenna jack on the TV. Then plug the AC adapter into any wall outlet to give it power. Or you can plug the power source into the transmitter on the antenna itself. Next, you go onto your TV and go to Settings, then Channel, then Set Tuner Mode to Antenna, then Auto Channel Scan. Then just wait for it to do its thing. It'll take around 10 minutes or so for it to complete its scan, and it'll automatically scan all the available channels in your area, and they will come in high definition and a pretty good quality. Now, if you have a smart TV and a Wi-Fi connection, a way to get free local channels is to download these three apps. First one is Locast, second one is Pluto, and the third one is Exumo. Each of these offers a variety of free local channel content. Well, thanks for watching this video, guys. If you found it helpful, go ahead and click a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.